Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to help stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. Here's a look at how the coronavirus is impacting Johnson County, Kansas. As of this morning on Monday, May 4th, we have 503 positive cases, 6,583 negatives. 45 of the positive cases have resulted in deaths, including one person in their 40s, 3 in their 60s, 8 in their 70s, and 33 in the 80-plus category. Now here's Johnson County Public Health Officer Dr. Joseph LeMaster with more on reopening the county.
Why are we having an extra week of stay at home, and how will this help reduce the risk of a second wave? First, you have to think about the different counties that are around Johnson. We have had a lot of improvement both in the number of cases that we're identifying, the number of hospitalizations, the number of deaths for residents in the county. But we don't live on an island. We are right next door to other counties where there are numerous outbreaks of new cases, hospitalizations in all kinds of workplaces, and this is right next door to our northern border. The way that I like to think about this is if you could imagine 3 buckets of water that were connected by a hose at the bottom. If you put pressure on one of those buckets of water and the hoses are open at the bottom, then that water will rush through the hose into the other buckets. If you put the same amount of pressure on the top of all of those buckets, the water doesn't move through the tubes. The idea is that if we have an opening date earlier than our neighboring counties and they're experiencing a lot more activity of the virus, that we may see movements of people into the county for shopping that would put our residents at greater risk. The extra week will give us that much more time to work with the neighboring counties and to give them an opportunity to get under control those outbreaks that they're identifying so that we don't see a big second wave immediately coming into the next month in Johnson County.
Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.